This is the Burns Monarch or Monarch Air by Burns Air King box fan that I got at the auction alongside that General Electric box fan. It looks kind of rough, but it was a lot worse when I got it. It has a 2-speed Macmillan motor, I do believe. And it has some bearing noise, and it's a little stiff, but I can't get it to run any better. I suspect it's been run without oiling of any sort of the factory oil for its entire life until I got it, because it was very, very stiff. Anyways, here's low speed, and you can see just how stiff it is. Here is high speed, and here is off. Probably in the summer I'm going to try to keep working on it, but for now, that's as good as it'll get.